Oh my gosh, it's time! It's ML's Friendiversary! Wow!
Hi there! It's ML with ML's Words of Wisdom from Wisconsin. And today's show is a special show because it's my 1-year Friendiversary with Jim's Kitchen. Hi, Jim! And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make something that's gonna remind each other of each other. And here's the first part. I'm gonna do a little song for you, Jim. Here we go. Celebrate Friendiversary. Da 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 da. There's a friendship that's been going on here, and it's lasted for about a year. And so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make something that reminds me of you. Oh yeah, now Jim's Kitchen. And you make something that reminds you of ML's Words of Wisdom. Okay, let's celebrate. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Well, I think I'm gonna celebrate by making a casserole. I know ML's favorite color is clear, so I'll be using my clear casserole dish. Well, we know where ML is from. She's from Wisconsin. And when I think of Wisconsin, I think of cheddar cheese, which is gonna be an instrumental part of this dish. Did you know when ML was just a wee gal, she was a junior miss in Kenosha, Wisconsin? Guess what her talent was? She played the clarinet and she played the song, the Pennsylvania Polka. And to celebrate that moment, and I think of Pennsylvania and polka, I think of pierogies. Let's start with those in the dish. Layer on some cheese. Me and ML do have some things in common. We both love singing, we both love to ham it up, and we both love the Brady Bunch.
Brady Bunch with Amby Davis as Alice. The Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. That's the way they became the Brady Bunch.
And when I think of the Brady Bunch and food, I think of Peter's special food. Pork chops and applesauce. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna put pork chops in this. I'm gonna put pork in it. I'm gonna put bacon and applesauce right inside. Bacon and applesauce. More cheese. I know that ML does love healthy food options. One of those would be these, superfood kale.
I'm going to do a little demonstration with something that I've just kind of discovered within the last year or so, and that is a new product. It's called Kale. K-A-L-E. And
that goes on next. More cheddar cheese. Another thing I know ML loves, she loves a little spice.
Whoa! My mouth really is burning. I'm not blowing smoke up your skirt. Okay, I got some Ready Whip.
Hot sauce and chili powder. Another thing ML loves, actually her favorite food, is shrimp. So I've got some shrimp crackers here that I'm gonna break apart and put right on top of the whole thing. I'm baking this in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. ML Casserole. What a special creation. You're in here, ML. Time to scoop it out. And of course, I'll be serving this with some sour cream. And it's got to be Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer. Let's taste it. Mmm. Mmm. The kale has a fun crispness to it. The bacon, of course, is phenomenal. And I love a pierogi. Wow! ML Casserole is good. I've written a letter to ML. The address is to Wisconsin. Enjoy, ML. Now you have to check out ML's channel. I wonder what she made. How do people in Wisconsin communicate with each other? Milwaukee talkie.